my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, today we are going to finish our Unit 6, that is money. We are going to complete our Unit 6, that is money. And before completing with the word problem, let's revise what is money. So, the definition of money, can you give me the definition of money? Money is any object that is generally accepted as a payment for goods and services. Whenever you're buying any goods, whenever you are using any public transport, you give them money to use that particular service or to buy that particular thing, or repayments of anything. Like if you have taken any kind of a loan, your father or your mother have taken any kind of a loan, they pay money for that particular loan. So this is a money. So money, currency, Indian currency, every country is having their own currency. So Indian currencies are paise and rupee. So paise is a smaller unit and rupee is a bigger unit. So when we combine 100 paise, it becomes 1 rupee. Okay, so you can see paise and rupee. So 25 paise, then 20 paise. Rupees are 2000 rupees, 500 rupees, 100 rupees. Then coins. The types of currency we use is a coins and currency note. So coins are 50 paise, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, and currency note is 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 2 rupees. All these are the currency notes. So we are not using 25 paise in today's situation. We are just using 50 paise. You can see 50 paise with a few of the shopkeepers, but we use only rupees right now, that is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee in the coins. Getting this point? Or 10 rupees. So you have traced this page, that is page number 77, then page number 78. So we have talked about the Ashoka stamp. So every coin, you can see there is a Ashoka stamp. On every note also there is a Ashoka stamp. See here, I will show you. You can see here is a Ashoka stamp. You will see this Ashoka stamp on rupees as well as on the coins. Getting this point? So this Ashoka stamps consist of 4 lions, but we can see only 3 faces of that particular lion. Then you can see 5 rupees, 1 rupees, 20 paise, 10 paise, 25 rupees or 25 paise and 5 paise. Then in a rupees, and then we write the in words. The way we say it, the way we write it. 50 rupees, FIFTY, 50 rupees, RUPEES, rupees. Or you can say 90 rupees, NINETY, 90 rupees, RUPEES, rupees. So we write our money in words also. Then we convert the words in the number form. Then the addition of paise with paise and rupees of rupees. Then subtraction of paise from paise and rupees from rupees. Then we pick the coins needed to buy the each of the given item. So according to the price of that item, we select our coins and rupees note. Then now we are going to do page number 89 related to word problems. First word problem, I purchased a book for 40 rupees and gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return? So the amount of book notebook was 40 and money given was 50. So left, return means left. So you will subtract money given 50, cost of book 40, money left 10 rupees. The shopkeeper returned 10 rupees. Okay. Now we are going to write the word problem and the statement. Sonu's mother gave him rupees 60. Sonu's mother gave him rupees 60. He purchased a water bottle for rupees 30. So money gave, you will write money, 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 gave, GAVE. Money gave is equal to rupees. You have to write the denomination rupees 60. Then Bottle, price of bottle. So you're going to write bottle is equal to rupees 30. Okay. Now, how much money was left? Left means subtraction. So, money left. You're going to write money, money left. So, you have to write your statements in notebook in your exams also. Proper statements. So, 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. So, money left 30 rupees. So you have to write rupees also here. 30 rupees. Let's do B question. Sanya's father gave her rupees 5 notes of 20. 5 notes of 20 each. How much money did he give to Sanya? So, one note, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, then 5 notes, then 5 notes is equal to, you will multiply here, you will multiply here. Okay, बिकॉज हमें 1 का वैल्यू पता है और हमने 5 का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो सेम नंबर को बार बार ऐड करना है, और जब हम सेम नंबर को बार बार ऐड करते हैं तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज करते हैं. सो टोटल अमाउंट, यू लाइक टोटल amount is equal to, so 5 multiplied by 0, 0, 5 multiplied by 2, 10, so it's 100 rupees, 100 rupees. He gave Sanya 100 rupees. He gave Sanya 100 rupees. A girl had rupees 50. She gave 15 rupees to her brother. How much money was left with her? So you're going to write money with girl. Money with girl is equal to 50. Brother is equal to 15. And don't forget to write rupees, the sign of rupees. And you will subtract because money left. So money left and you will subtract. So 5 and so 35 rupees left with the girl. Okay. I had 45 rupees. I purchased a pen for 18 rupees. How much money was left? So, total money 45 rupees, pen 18 rupees, then money left you will subtract. So, you're going to do question number D and E yourself. So, E, a man gave rupees 65 to his son. He purchased a story book for rupees 45. So total amount, the total money is 65, storybook 45. Money left, you will tell me the answer. So you're going to write the proper statements and you're going to solve this question. So do question number D and E. Now it's time for your diaries. So the date is 9th of February 2021. Maths, do page number 89. So do complete your work. In next class, we are going to learn something new. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.